I'm gonna close the blinds. Close the blinds. Creeper.
I wasn't even looking.
Yeah, I bet you wasn't.
You looked at me.
You. Thank you.
Well, ma'am, shut up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we're going to be doing another video that's not typically what I do. Today I'm going to be trying out yoga for the first time. I'm not really an expert with yoga. I don't really know anything about yoga. I've never really done yoga before. But I do know that yoga is really good for flexibility. It can be used for weight loss. It can be used for meditation. Probably some other things too, but I just can't think of them at this moment. And I just kind of want to try new things that can contribute to a healthier life for myself. And I kind of want to bring like new fun content to my channel as well. I'm just gonna follow a YouTube video because I've never been to like a yoga studio, so you know, I don't even have a yoga mat or anything. The video that I'm following, the channel name is Yoga with Adriene, I believe, and this video is 30 days of yoga, and this is day 1. So I'm gonna challenge myself to do 30 days of yoga as well, and I'm just gonna follow along with the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you think in the comments, and let's get started.
Y'all, let's get started. Alright, my friends, today comfortable seat, one foot in front of the other. The muscles, deep in the breath. But beyond that, we're going to listen. We're really going to use this opportunity to come in for yourself. And then we'll bring the head back to center stillness and draw the palms together at the heart. Deep breath in as you lift the sternum up, thumbs, hearts coming together. You only have one heart, I guess. Heart. Then we'll interlace the fingertips. Keep breathing deep as you press the palms forward. Shoulders relax, drop down. And then we send the palms up and back. Nice and easy, organic as we carve a line with the nose, look up. One more breath here. And then on an exhale, we break free. And fingertips rain down. On the knees here, we can really tell if we're collapsing in other places. So find that integrity. One more breath here. You might curl it under as I rotate. Hip points. Find this rounding of the spine and release the crown of the head to the earth. Inhale, keep it nice and slow today. Dropping the belly, tailbone lifts up, heart opens out. And moving with the breath. Notice if you're just kind of holding, waiting, like on to the next thing. Try to enjoy your practice. Breathe, stretch it out. Walk up towards the front. And together we'll meet at the head of the mat, a nice forward fold. So 2 inches on here, you might.
And right foot stomp, and left foot tap time with your right, and tap time with your left, and turn into the right, and move to the left.
So we continue to deepen the breath. The more we move the body, the more we synchronize the breath. Inhale, draw the palms to your heart, lift your sternum, energy through the front body. Like, and then we find this sweet, humble ground in the back body. Exhale, break free. Fingertips interlace behind the tailbone, the opposite thumb on top of it. Then we draw the knuckles down in a way as we open up the chest. The opposite direction. Exhale, palms come together as we bend the knees. And take it on down through mid lunge, forward fold. Goes back into a low lunge, runner's lunge. So again, we're easing in as you exhale outward, lower the knees, hug the elbows to the side body. You can always stay lifted in that push-up position as we slowly lower down. Elbows pull back. We come to the belly, release the legs, and inhale, lift up, Bhujangasana or Cobra. Find your breath. Exhale.
She's speaking tongues.
Now we're going to set the right foot up to our runner's lunge. Same thing here, a little playtime, a little exploration. We ease in. the back knee, fingertips left to right, press into your feet, and we're going to reach all the way up towards the sky. Full body stretch here as we press into all four corners of the feet. Lift the kneecaps. And on an exhale, we bring the hands back to the heart. Awesome. Soft, buoyant, to open the heart and chest. You might come up off the fingertips here. Just to check in with your core. Squeeze the inner thighs to the midline, or you might stay on your feet. And on an exhale, plant the palms. Front knees stacked over front ankles.
What is hard? Ooh.
This time, instead of rocking the back foot up to me.
Okay guys, so that was the end of the yoga session. The actual video I think was about 34 minutes, and she only talked for maybe like 30 seconds in the beginning as the intro. I feel like the session went by really fast. What I liked most about it was I felt like we're so used to like always on the go moving, we don't really relax enough, and if we do relax, like we're relaxing in front of the TV or something, like our mind is always preoccupied even if our body is resting. What I liked about the yoga was that like you really had to focus on yourself and your body and your breathing, and like it really helped to like clear your mind. In the beginning it was like really easy stuff, and then like towards the end you probably saw me like laughing and goofing around more just because it got a little harder. So I guess like naturally I just kind of start to be goofy and stuff. I know this is a little different than what I typically do, but y'all just gonna have to get used to it. If you have any other suggestions for videos you guys would want me to do, leave them in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.